It's just about time to start my vegetable garden, so I spent some time researching the best fertilizer I could have for the season. And I'm going with AgroThrive because it checks all the boxes that I want for myself and my family. Now, to start off with, I love all these certifications. Not only is the product thoughtfully made in the USA, but it is fully certified. And they really do focus on making sure this is a quality product you can trust. It is a 3-3-2 fertilizer, which is a great, well-rounded fertilizer for my vegetable garden, and it comes from corn and fish byproducts that would have probably ended up in landfills if AgroThrive hadn't turned it into a wonderful biofertilizer that we can really enjoy. This is really giving my plants the nutrients they need, and it's something I feel really comfortable using for my family. So if you are looking for a great general purpose liquid fertilizer that you can trust, that really is formulated for everything that grows, AgroThrive's organic fertilizer is a fantastic option.